Chard, you are always champion, ha? Libutad ka na, maglibutad ka. Yan.
Yan, sa gitna.
Ganda ng salamin mo, bro, ha? Bagong-bago yan, ha?
Galing kay Ox to eh.
Kay Brad mo kaya?
Meron din daw siyang ganito eh. Very good. Very good. Good camera. Okay, dogs. No problem. You have the official photograph. Cellphone lang namin.